was super speedy.
We really need to find that ice cream truck. Dylan and his friends are all waiting for ice cream. We're really gonna need your help. Will you help us find the ice cream truck? You will? Umi-rific!
Yeah!
Now you're on Team Umizoomi with us. We'll call you Umi Friend.
Hello, Umi friend.
Welcome to the team. Let's get our mighty math powers ready. I'm Millie. I can make any pattern with my dress. Pattern of butterflies. Pattern power. I'm Geo. I can build anything with my shapes. Triangle. Oval. Super shapes.
I'm Bot. I can show you anything on my belly screen. Skyscraper, taxi, traffic light.
Umi Friend, that's you. You've got mighty math powers too. Let's see your mighty math powers. Count down with me. Start with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You've got mighty math powers. Mighty math powers. You got 'em. You've got mighty math powers. Team Umizoomi, ready for action. Now our mighty math powers are ready. We need to find that ice cream truck.
So Dylan and his friends can have ice cream.
Let's go up to the roof and look for it. We can see the whole city from up there.
To the roof.
I can see all the buildings and streets in Umi City. The ice cream truck must be on one of those streets.
We need to get a closer look.
I know, Umi Friend. If you put on your Umi goggles, you'll be able to see the streets close up. Then you can find the ice cream truck. The ice cream truck has a giant ice cream cone on the top. To put on your Umi goggles, hold your hands up to your eyes like this. Umi goggles on. When you see the ice cream truck, say, ice cream truck. Ice cream truck! You found it! Great job, Umi Friend.
Great gigabytes. The ice cream truck has a flat tire.
That's why I couldn't get to Dillon Street.